Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing great. Now, let's start today's topic rounding of numbers to nearest hundreds. So, let's start. Okay, so before going to the questions, let's see what is rounding off. So, rounding off is a number that is close to the original number and easy to remember is called rounding off. Rounding off gives an approximate number rather than an exact number. When a number is rounded off to the lower number, we can say it is rounded down. And when the number is rounded off to the higher number, we can say it is rounded up. Now we will just get the recap of the previous class, round off to the nearest tens. So we have two questions over here. 189 and we want to round off this to the nearest tens. So what we have to do, we have to go with the first step first. So first step is highlight the tens place. Here the tens place is 8. So what you have to do, you have to highlight like I have highlighted here the tens place with red color. So highlight the tens place. Now check the right side digit. So we can very well see this right side digit is in second slot, which starts from the numbers 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So this is in second slot. Second slot means add 1 in the highlighted digit. So highlighted digit is 8. So 8 plus 1 is what? 8 plus 1 is 9. We know whenever we are rounding off, like the highlighted digit is 8, so left side digit will be same and the right side digit will change to 0. So the answer will be 190. So take this question, take this 190. Now B part 122. So again we have to round off to nearest tens. So first step, highlight the tens place like I have highlighted it with the red color. Now check the right side digit 2. As we know, 2 is in which slot? First slot. And whenever the right side digit is in first slot, no need to change the tens place. So tens place will be same as it is. So right here 2. And we know the from the highlighted digit, left side digit will be same 1 and the right side digit will change to 0. So answer will be 120. Round off of number to 122 is 120. So let's see the rounding off rules for the nearest hundreds. So here we have one question, 7358. So first step is same. We have to check that by which number we have to round off. We have to round off to hundreds. That means we will highlight the which place, we highlight the digit at the hundreds place. So I have already highlighted the hundreds place digit 3. Now step second, check the right side digit. So right side digit is 5. Now whenever, now 5, you have to check this right side digit will lie in first slot, which starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or in the second slot 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, means this right side digit will lie in first slot or in second slot. So we can very well see this right side digit is 5 and 5 lies in second slot. Second slot means you have to add 1 in the highlighted digit. So highlighted digit is 3. So add 1 in 3. Answer is 4. Now from the highlighted digit, we know the right side digit will become 0 and the left side will be same. Left side digit is 7. So write 7 as it is and the right side digit is 0 for the tens place and next 0 for the ones place. This is how we can convert 7,358 to the nearest hundreds. Now let's go to the next question. Here the next question is 7,328 and we have to round off to the nearest hundreds. So steps will be same. First step is highlight the hundreds place. Here the hundreds place digit is 3. So highlight this digit and check the right side digit. So right side digit is 2. So 2 is 2 in the first slot or 2 in the second slot. We can very well see 2 is in which slot? 2 is in first slot. First slot means no need to change the highlighted digit. So highlighted digit here is 3. So highlighted digit will be same 3. Now we know from the highlighted digit, left side digit will be same and the right side digits will be 0. So right side digit is 1 tens digit and the ones digit. So answer is 7300. Now we have some questions. So round off to nearest hundreds. So we have one question, 2159. So first highlight the hundreds place digit. Here the hundreds place digit is 1. Check the right side digit. Right side digit is 5. And we know 5 is in which slot? Second slot. That means you have to add 1 in the highlighted digit. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Now we know we have means on the left hand side we have one digit, that is 2. So you have to write that 2 as it is because this 2 is on the left hand side of the highlighted, and on the right hand side we have two places, ones place and tens place. For those two places you need to make two zeros. So answer is 2200. Now next question, 3220. So again, we have to round off to nearest hundreds, highlight the hundreds place, check the right side digit. Right side digit is 2. So we know 2 is what? 2 is in the first slot. First slot means no need to change the highlighted digit. Highlighted digit will be same. And from the highlighted digit, we have one digit on the left hand side. So the left hand side digit will be same. And right hand side digit will become 0. 0 for tens place and this 0 for ones place. So this is how you can round off to nearest hundreds. Thank you.